think it's too far.
Brandon here.
Hello, it's Rocco.
We have a message to say before we start our presentation.
You should not play with fire at home.
So don't try this at home.
We are underage amateurs.
We are underage amateurs, under parental supervision, under a closed area. So...
And we are totally safe, so do not try this at home without parental...
parental guidance.
What he said. Damn it! I can't do this.
So this is section 2.2. Something cool is about our section. This is our demonstration of the nitrogen cycle. Take one. So, as we all know, there are trees, and inside of trees contain millions of little particles of nitrogen. Now, during forest fires, nitrogen is released quickly into the atmosphere. Like so. So when trees are burning, it releases nitrogen into the air. Like so. And into clouds. Now clouds move... Now because of winds, clouds move from continent to continent. Such as from North America all the way to Europe. Aha! Now, because of the excess nitrogen inside of clouds, it will cause rain, otherwise known as acid precipitation, which causes trees in Europe to melt. Because of the excess nitrogen inside of trees, it causes decomposing trees, like that one.
That's a bad tree. The clouds full of nitrogen will rain down on Europe with plenty of acid precipitation, which will get into the system of Europe, water system of Europe, and will pour down into the ocean. From then the nitrogen will sink down all the way to the bottom, and form
rock.
Co.
Oh, class.
Bloopers right there. I can't do this right.
Go away. I'll say it. Do that. Do that. Don't try this at home.
You look like a ridiculous idiot.
One more take. Don't try this at home.
Did you turn it off?
Yeah. No.
No.
It's been recording the entire... Rock.
Oh, no joking. It will form rock.
It will form rock. Rock.